So for all of you small cap traders out there, I know you can probably tell that the market is getting so cold in the small caps. There's no more gappers. It's just a barren desert out there. We wake up pre-market early in the morning, whatever time zone you're in, you check your gap scanner and there's nothing there. That is the cold market. The cold market is, I don't know how long it's going to last. Sometimes you'll get some waves of momentum here and there, but for the most part, most of these days are pretty cold. So in this video, I want to talk about a couple of the strategies that I'm implementing in order to stay afloat in this cold market. The first thing that I'm implementing is adjusting my share size. So instead of taking big share size on all of these trades, I am sizing down and only taking big size on the A+ setups that come around maybe once or twice a week. So on the B quality setups, on the C quality setups, I'm taking a third of position size, a fourth of a position size, half of a position size, much smaller than what I would take on an A+ setup. And the idea is only to take my normal size or big size on an A+ setup. On everything else, I need to keep it nice and small. If I get small green, that's cool. If I get small red, that's cool too. So the idea about those two strategies alone, about sizing down, only trading and focusing in trades in the window that you do the best in, and only sizing up on the A+ setups, and for the B and C quality setups, taking very small size. The idea, that strategy, will let you not get into a big drawdown off the highs. And in a cold market, those big drawdowns, they can be deadly if you're not ready to adapt to the cold market. And so if you can remain near the highs of your account, or at least inching up in your account slowly, by the time the market starts to heat up, you're already at the high of your account, and so you can just build right from the top of your P&L rather than having to spend a couple of days of hot momentum trying to dig yourself out of the hole. And the third strategy that you can implement is changing your trading strategy. You can try to trade something different while the market is cold and try to adapt that way, trading something different, maybe a new strategy to kind of hold you over until the hot market returns or the momentum returns. And that's something that I have been doing. I've actually been trading indices and large caps a little bit, and I'm finding that a lot of the things that you learn in the small caps is applicable. The same laws apply to those other big name stocks and the indices. However, a lot of the times you're going to need to be able to have a longer hold time for those larger cap stocks or indices. But overall, the same laws apply, the same support and resistance patterns, they all apply to large caps and indices as well, and crypto and futures. So that could be another way you can adapt to this market, is by changing your strategy. So those were a few things that I have been doing to adapt to this cold market, and I hope it does return soon. Okay. I hope it returns soon. So that's it for me. Subscribe to the video, like the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.